Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a cook with me. I'm going to be making a chicken gumbo and I'm going to share it with you using this Cosori Pressure Cooker. Now Cosori reached out to me to send this to me to try out, and I was so excited because I've been wanting to make gumbo for quite a while now, so I thought it was perfect. So I'm going to share with you the ingredients that I'll be using to make my chicken gumbo, as well as how to use this pressure cooker. Now this is my first time using the pressure cooker. I've never used one before. I usually use a crock pot, which is more of a slow cooker, or I cook it on top of the stove in one of those 6-quart pots. So this will be a bit of an experience, but I think I'm gonna love it. So let's just get started with my chicken gumbo. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my chicken gumbo. I have my chicken breast here that I'm going to cut into small pieces. I have my gumbo base, blended peppers with green peppers, yellow peppers, and red peppers. I have some cut okra, love okra. A few of my favorite seasonings. Definitely have to have Old Bay whenever you're cooking gumbo. I've got my extra virgin olive oil for my chicken. And I also have some chicken bouillons because these are very flavorful, so I love cooking with these. You only need one. Alright guys, so now that I have my chicken all cut up into pieces, I am going to move on to the fun part, which is actually placing it in the Cosori pot. So this is the pressure cooker and it looks pretty self-explanatory. It has all the different functions here, like for meat, poultry, soup, beans, if you're gonna cook rice, if you're gonna slow cook something, or you can even cook yogurt. I'm gonna have to experiment with that one day. And all the other functions. So I'm going to start by putting my chicken in, and I believe it has a saute function, and saute my chicken. So the pot has the unlock function, and I'm going to twist it this way to take the lid off. And inside of it is this silver pot, and this is what cooks all the food. It also has measurements. So it has the cup measurements and liter measurements. I am just going to take a little bit of this olive oil and pour inside of the pot. Making sure that it's all across the bottom just to keep it from sticking. So I'm going to add my chicken. And also you have to make sure that your steam valve is on the lock function. So now that I've added my meat, I hit the saute button and press start, and this means that it is pressurizing and heating to the level that it needs to be so that I can cook my chicken. So since it's only sauteing, I'm going to open the lid. Now if I were boiling it or had it on any other function like the meat or poultry, I definitely would not want to do this because I would need to release the pressure first before removing the lid. You guys can see I am sauteing my chicken. It's browning. So while it's sauteing, I'm going to start adding all of my seasonings. I'm going to start with a little bit of season oil in here. Okay. I'm going to add some onion powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper because I like for my gumbo to have a kick, a little bit of New Orleans style seafood and chicken seasoning, some garlic salt, and I'm also adding a little bit of black pepper. I hope this does not make me sneeze. So I'm going to add the top back on it so that the steam can kind of stay within the pot. Oh my gosh, y'all, this chicken just by itself is really, really good. Really good in season, and it's done. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. I am loving this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna release it from the saute function. I'm gonna just hit stop and cancel that one, because now I'm about to add in my chicken broth. I'm adding my gumbo base, the full bag. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and peppers. I'm also adding in my cut okra. Add in a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Really give it that gumbo taste. And I'm gonna put it on the soup function, since gumbo is technically a soup. And I don't want it to be that long, so I'm gonna adjust the time to maybe about 20 minutes and hit start. And over here on the stove, I have my rice cooking, my brown rice. Now, I could have cooked it together in the pot with the gumbo file, but everyone doesn't like rice in their gumbo. So I decided to do it separately. I am still being organized in my pantry. So I'm going to pour the remainder of the brown rice in here. I try to keep it filled up so that it doesn't go empty. Nice and full again. Once your dish is done cooking, it will start beeping, and this unlock button right here will start flashing, and then you can take your lid off. Alright, so I'm going to release the pressure before I take the lid off. And there was no pressure. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Here guys, let me show you. This is so good. I cannot wait to taste this. This is looks so yummy. So now I'm going to fix me a nice bowl of gumbo. And take my brown rice. I'm gonna add a little bit more liquor. I love the liquor. That looks so freaking amazing. And I keep saying that because it just really looks amazing, and I am about to dip into this. It is about to go down with this gumbo, guys. I'm telling you. I gotta pick me up an okra. I love me some okra. All right, let's see. Oh, this is bomb. It's definitely as good as it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cook with me video. I absolutely love the way this gumbo turned out. It was so amazing, honestly. And it was super easy. Now, because this was my first time, it took a little longer, but now that I know what I'm doing, I could probably cook this up in like 30 minutes and it'll be ready. But Cosori also has a recipe book with different recipes that you can try if you're interested in a pressure cooker, and I am going to be testing out some of these. It's a really quick and easy dinner if you just want to put something in the pot and have dinner ready in a matter of less than an hour. So guys, if you want to purchase your own pressure cooker from Cosori, I will leave the link down below in my description box, as well as the link to their Facebook page, because there's a lot of videos and tips and recipes on there as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the cook with me. Thank you so much for watching. There definitely will be more cook with me videos coming, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.